Ooh.
Back here. There's a lot of big ones.
Ooh, those look like good blueberries. Oh, you can still get it. Pick it up because we can wash it.
Look at this one, Cooper.
Here, come look over here. Mommy, are these ones good? Mom, are these ones good?
Wow. Well, one is better. This one's not quite ripe yet.
Ew.
Just look for the really dark ones, Ethan, because once you pick
I got a lot
them,
of dark ones.
yummy.
Mom. And I got over here. This one's the best ones are the biggest.
Wow. Keep putting them in your bag.
Just try and make sure you keep the little green ones still on, okay? They kind of pop off really easy. Take it from my advice.
You're ruining the plants, Amy. You're going to get thrown out.
Look how juicy this was. This is fun. Mom, look how juicy. Mom, look
Grace, are you having fun? Look at me. Do you like it?
Yeah. Look how fat this is.
Whoa, that was a good one.